Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will be showing you how you can block pop-up ads or intrusive ads on an Android phone. If you want to block ads on Chrome browser, which is the default browser on Android phone, then launch Chrome. Tap on three-dot icon at the top. Tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Site Settings option under Advanced. Now scroll down and tap on Ads. Toggle it off if it's on. Then go back and tap on pop-ups and redirects. Toggle it off if it's on. And now if you are using Opera browser, then launch Opera. Then tap on the Opera icon at the bottom. Then turn on the ad blocking. If you are using Firefox on your Android device, then launch the Firefox browser. Firefox doesn't have built-in ad block option like Chrome and Opera, but you can install add-ons to block the ads. Tap on three-dot icon at the bottom, then select add-ons. You need to install uBlock Origin on Firefox. After you add uBlock Origin, you can now tweak the settings as per your need. This is how you can block ads on different mobile web browser in Android. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.